is a do-it-yourself club for children in primary and secondary school. The whole concept of YORHUB is to get little kids to be involved in doing things themselves at home, especially things that can be prepared or modified at home without being contracted to professionals. We believe that if we introduce these kids at an early stage to the maintenance culture, they will become a responsible leader in a climate challenging world.
My set was good and was amazing.
I learned to paint and I also learned how to wash off the roof.
I love people, so they are amazing.